Hello and welcome back to ODP. Do I wash and decontaminate using specific products? This BMW X-Tray is not my car, it is my wife's car. Believe me, she never washes it. I still don't understand how she does it. Therefore, I seized the opportunity to thoroughly dirtify it during this entire period, and then to provide us with immense satisfaction, witnessing it once again gleaming brightly. All credit goes to the fantastic products offered by Maniac Line. Wheel and tire cleaner. Removes brake dust and road grime. Very convenient that it says it all back here. The instructions on how to use it, what doses to apply, we'll see that now with Nebula foam gun. The foam gun can be loaded manually but also with compressed air, as per the video. I'll leave a tab here in the upper right hand corner. It effortlessly melts away winter road dirt and brake dust that settles on the rims, restoring them to their original appearance. Here to get to the original look requires magic. Because of its high cleaning capacity, it is also suitable for cleaning the suspension department of tires and plastic wheel well linings. If necessary, work with a paintbrush or brush, with the brush red. I'm going to peel off the dirt. And I can also reach the more difficult and more hidden areas. With this beautiful mechanical action, it is a delight. It has the ability to eliminate polishes that were previously applied by preparing the tires for the next stage of polishing or dressing. The dilution ratio of this product can be adjusted depending on the type of dirt, ranging from 1 part product to 10 parts water. 2 recommendations: do not apply this product to hot surfaces, so as soon as you turn off the engine, wait, maybe the next day, for it to cool, and then do not let the product dry after applying it. To get a lubricated and easily workable foam, the product can also be dispensed in foam mode with this Nebula foam hand pump. For very encrusted dirt such as this, we said to dilute the product 1 to 3, that is 3 parts water, 1 part product. In less dramatic situations than this, we can dilute the product from 1 to 5 up to 1 to 10. Here I put 3 parts water. We will put a part of product. We are going to load our foam gun. Super simple. Let's tighten it up because this one goes pressure and we start to load. And we're going to dispense our product. So here we are. This is the HP12, a multi-purpose degreaser that is suitable for doing what I'm doing. It's very powerful, it's safe, it's useful for cleaning the engine, and it loosens difficult dirt. little bit, I give a wipe as well. Then we will pass a product that renews plastics. Let's go in and remove the coarse dirt with foam gun pre-wash. This should be done before we give the iron remover on the bodywork. We dilute the product 1 to 5, 1 part product to 5 parts water. I've already put my water pretty good there. Look how well this pre-wash product runs down. As soon as it all goes down, we rinse. Isn't that great? After the pre-wash, we saw a significant improvement as we were able to remove most of the coarse dirt. However, the level of contamination on this car was extremely high. To tackle this, I decided to apply diluted iron remover individually to each part of the bodywork. Iron remover we have seen on the rims, but it can also be applied to the bodywork to decontaminate it. We will use a 1-to-1 dilution. As you guys know, iron remover is applied on the rims undiluted, whereas if we want to apply it on the bodywork, and sometimes it is extremely useful, we have to dilute it 1-to-1. If the substrate turns purplish, it means the bodywork is heavily contaminated. After application, we wait 3 to 5 minutes and then rinse. While on the rim, I apply it pure. You remember a little while ago we did the wheel and tire. Now that it has been washed, it is also decontaminated with this. It has to act between 3 and 5 minutes. If we want, we can help with the Red Series brush. While for the bodywork, we use the brush with the softest bristles, the Lime series, which combined with this multi-purpose cleaner called all-purpose cleaner allows us to reach the most difficult areas. Normally I don't use a brush on bodywork, but in this case, in the case of this very dirty and contaminated X-ray, to get to those hostile areas, the use of the brush is essential. By the way, ladies and gentlemen, the bird droppings, the gnats with the glove, you don't get them off, so the brush really becomes your best friend. So to recap, with all-purpose cleaner, we use the Lime brush, which has the most delicate bristles, and you will see that you will be able to remove all the dirt guaranteed. The bristles of the Lime brush are extremely gentle and soft, ensuring that it won't scratch surfaces. This brush is frequently used for decontaminating washes due to its efficacy and delicate nature. From here, what happens? You rinse, then you shampoo with the double bucket as we've seen in previous videos. I'll leave you another tab here on the top right, and then you dry the machine with our cloths. Another product that I used in the video that I want to show you is this brush with very soft bristles that removes all the hair. I have two Jack Russell, have fine hairs that don't come off. They don't come off with tornadoes. So with compressed air, they don't come off with cloths. I went crazy for months, believe me this. Now I just want to suggest that you visit Mafra's website and consider purchasing bracketing. I can guarantee you if you have a dog, it will truly be a rescue dog. We also have these other brushes, but we won't talk about them in this video, that are phenomenal. In the next we see them. Look a little with your own eyes. Now I'll show you the difference. Check this out. Fantastic. A bit of ASMR, I'm going to cut to the chase. The products all work perfectly. This is one that I will also take home on the carpet and on my beautiful couch. Anyway, I'll leave you below in description everything you want. Go below here to see. Then leave me a like, that envelopes the video and makes me make a little more views. If you want some response, I'll definitely try it below in the comments. Those who are not yet subscribed to this channel, I really care about it. And help support it. I salute you. Thank you for getting this far, and we as usual see you in the next episode. Bye.